Today, I'm excited to dive deep into the Steelmind construction agency Elementor Template Kit, a powerful and professional website solution designed specifically for construction companies, builders, contractors, and engineering firms. This template kit, created by slabdsgn, is built for WordPress and fully compatible with the free version of Elementor, meaning you don't need to invest in Elementor Pro to get started. With only 6 sales so far and a recent update, this is a fresh entry in the market that's gaining attention for its focus on the construction industry. Let me start by explaining what makes Steelmind stand out. At its core, this is not a traditional WordPress theme, but a collection of pre-designed templates that you can import directly into Elementor. It's perfect for businesses that want to showcase their construction services, highlight completed projects, and present their team's expertise without any coding knowledge. The kit emphasizes strength, precision, and professionalism, which are exactly the qualities you want in a construction brand. Whether you're handling commercial buildings, residential projects, or infrastructure development, Steelmind provides a solid foundation for a website that builds trust and drives client acquisition. One of the biggest selling points is its compatibility with free plugins. You don't need Elementor Pro, which keeps costs down. The required plugins are Elementor itself, Elementor Lite for additional widgets, Metform for forms, Jeg Elementor Kit for headers and footers, and Gum Elementor add-in for extra functionality. All of these are included or easily obtainable, making setup straightforward. The kit follows a modern design system with bold typography, structured layouts, and a clean aesthetic that reflects the industrial nature of construction work. It's fully responsive, so it looks great on desktops, tablets, and mobile devices, and it's compatible across major browsers like Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and Opera. Customization is a breeze, thanks to global styles that let you change fonts and colors in one place, applying them across the entire site. This ensures consistency and makes it easy to match your brand identity. The design is professional and clean, avoiding clutter while maintaining a strong, reliable feel that construction clients expect. Now, let's talk about what's included in the kit. There are 18 ready-to-use templates covering all the essential pages for a construction agency website. Starting with the home page, it's designed to make a strong first impression with hero sections, service highlights, and calls to action. The About page lets you tell your company's story, while the service list and service detail pages allow you to showcase your offerings in detail, from demolition to project management. For projects, there are project list and project detail templates to display your portfolio effectively, which is crucial in construction where visual proof of work matters. The Our Team page helps humanize your brand by introducing key personnel, and the pricing page can outline your service packages. There's also a career page for recruiting, an FAQ section for common questions, and even an Error 404 page for a polished user experience. Blogging is covered with blog list and single post templates, perfect for sharing industry insights or project updates. Contact forms are handled via Metform, with dedicated subscribe form and contact form templates. Finally, the header and footer templates provide consistent navigation and branding across the site. The templates are built with modern design principles, using a design system that ensures cohesion. Each page is fully customizable within Elementor, so you can tweak layouts, add your own content, and integrate with other tools as needed. The kit uses demo images from Envato Elements, which you'll need to license or replace with your own photos to avoid copyright issues. From what I can see, the pros of Steelmind are numerous. It's affordable, easy to use for beginners, and specifically tailored to the construction niche, which sets it apart from more generic templates. The responsive design and cross-browser compatibility mean it works everywhere, and the global styles make branding simple. With 18 templates, it's comprehensive without being overwhelming. On the potential downside, since it's relatively new with only 6 sales, there might not be a large community of users sharing tips yet. Also, while it's compatible with free plugins, some advanced features might require additional customization if you're not familiar with Elementor. The reliance on Envato Elements images means an extra step for licensing, but that's standard for these kits. Overall, if you're in the construction industry looking for a professional, no-code website solution, Steelmind is an excellent choice. It balances modern design with practicality helping you build a strong online presence that reflects the reliability of your services. I highly recommend checking out the live preview and screenshots to see how it looks in action. With its recent update and focus on the construction sector, this template kit has the potential to become a go-to for agencies in this field. If you're ready to elevate your construction business online, Steelmind is worth the investment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.